today, y'all. It's your boy. That boy can cook in the place, in your face. And as you've seen by the community board, today we're doing that delicious steak burrito bowl with cilantro lime rice. Yeah. I also did a video on the cilantro lime rice. Don't forget, go back and check that one out. Also, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it, and also share it. Yeah, share it. Now let's get to this burrito bowl with cilantro lime rice, y'all. Everybody, we're gonna start off like this. The ingredients for your burrito bowl is pretty much what you want. I'm gonna show you what I use when we come back and build it. But right now, we're just gonna focus on cooking our steak. So let's do that. All right, so I have 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. I have a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and half teaspoon of cumin. All right, and what I like to do, I just like to put all of them together. I don't have a mixing bowl, so we're just gonna mix it up like this. There we go. Just get it mixed up as such. There we go, y'all. Just like that. And then we're just gonna season our meat. Right? You don't have to use, I'm not using all of it because I don't have that much meat. So, just gonna season it as such. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons to our hot pan, and we're gonna start cooking off our steak bites. 2 tablespoons of olive oil is heated. So let's get this steak in there, y'all. There we go. Now we're gonna let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna give it a mix, get them flipped, cook it another 2 to 3 minutes, and we're gonna cover it up and cook it a little bit more. As you can see, it's giving a little flip, like so. Once we get all of these flipped over, we're gonna cover it. We're gonna cook it for about 5 more minutes, and our steak bites should be done. In a minute, y'all, about it. We have them all flipped. There it is. Now let's cover it. And we're gonna cook them at medium high heat for another 5 to 7 minutes. Stick around, make sure you watch them. Family, let's check our steak bites. Oh yeah, they ready. They are ready, ready. Okay. Let's turn the fire off. There we go. And now let's move on to the next step. Everybody, let's build our burrito bowl. We got this great tasting cilantro lime rice here. I'm just gonna do it up pretty like y'all. Just gonna make it pretty. There we go. I like my rice. Alright. Now let's take our beans. Just like that. Put a little more, like beans. Let's add our Pico. Fresh homemade Pico here. Lettuce, and I'm using romaine. That's one of my favorites. I like romaine. You can use iceberg if you choose. It's your choice. In your world, like I always say. And now let's add our sharp cheddar. There we go. We're just making it presentable. Making it presentable, y'all. There we go. Let's add our delicious steak. Right. Look at that. Look at that. There we go, y'all. Yes. All right, everybody. Look at that. It's all put together. It's that steak burrito bowl, y'all. Delicious. Look at that. We got our steak. We got our homemade cilantro lime rice. We got our homemade pico de gallo, canned black beans. Hey, it's all right. We got our shredded cheddar cheese, and we got our chopped romaine lettuce. That's the ultimate steak burrito bowl, y'all. Top that boy off with some salsa. It's a done deal. Family, I'm back. We just gotta make sure we go out the right way, as we do always. Gotta go out the right way. So look at that. Look at that. That's that steak burrito bowl, y'all. Delicious, delicious. Let's begin. Real quick. Got some steak, some rice, some pico, some beans, some lettuce. Go, dip it in the salsa. Winner. Chicken dinner. Once again, like, comment, subscribe. That boy can cook. Don't forget, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we doing it. Till the next time, y'all, I'm out.